Okay, next we're going to draw this box. So we have this box. Okay, so click on this surface, normal to sketch, activate sketch. I'm gonna draw a center rectangle. Okay, as here, center rectangle. Okay, and what is the length of this rectangle? It is 125, so 125. Okay, feature extrude. What is the height or extrude of this box? It's here, 110, so 110. Okay, check. Okay, and this is the box. Does this box has any fillet? Yes, from the right you can see that it has a fillet of, okay, let's see, 15 millimeters. So I have to choose the right edge, so I'm gonna choose a fillet of 15 millimeter for this edge, because I am here from the right, I can see it. So I want to make a fillet here and here, so I have to choose this edge and also this edge, 15 millimeters. So the fillet is about this edge, then check. So this is 15 and this is 15. Okay, and we can say that there is an extrude cut because we have this line. Okay, is it extrude or extrude cut? Because we see in the other area, in the opposite area, that there is a parallel dash line. That means there is an extrude cut. Okay, so what is the shape of this extrude cut? I have to draw this line again. Okay, so choose this surface, normal to. Instead of drawing this line again, I'm gonna choose a smart way, which is click on what we call it, sketch. Sorry, sketch, activate sketch, and choose offset. So click on offset. Okay, I want to draw the same shape, but inside. So I have to click on reverse. And what is the difference? It is 15 minus 10 to make this. What's the difference between these two drawings? So 15 minus 10, which is 5 millimeters. Just there is you have to note that these three lines is okay, but this line is not okay. Why? Because we don't have a line here up. We have to make this line go to this edge, then go left, then go up. So we'll delete this line and we draw it correctly. So check. So how can we do that? Draw a line and complete this drawing. Okay, complete it. So from here, click, go down, click, then go to the left area. From here, click, then go up, click. Then we don't need this line, okay, because this line we don't need it. Okay, we don't have a line here. It's up to this surface. Okay, so delete this line, we don't need it. And this is the shape of this area. Now feature extrude cut, and we said that it's extrude cut through all. Okay, extrude cut from we can see that from there is a parallel dash line from the right up to the left. If it's not extrude cut through all, we'll see it as L, parallel dash line here and parallel dash line here down. Okay, so but it's not like that. So it's extrude cut through all. So through all, then check. Okay. Now let's go to the second part. We have a cylinder down here in this surface. Okay. By the way, we maybe someone would ask that why should we make a shell? We can make a shell. It's easier to make a shell. So just make the surface, click on the surface, then make shell of 5 millimeters. I will say no. Why? Because it's, yes, he will make extrude cut here, but also he will make an extrude cut also for this area down. See, if you make a shell, he will make a shell in this area and down also. So the shell is not correct choice. Okay, because he will cut also 5 millimeter down here in this area. He will go down. So this is why we don't use shell. We just draw this area and we make extrude cut through all. Okay, let's do this cylinder. We have a cylinder of hole, so I have to choose this surface, click, then normal to sketch, activate sketch, and draw the bigger circle. The bigger circle is 35. Okay, is it 35? Okay, although this circle is, you can see it from the above, but what is the position of this circle? It will be down, because we clicked on this surface, not this surface, we clicked on this surface. So the circle is down here. So it's 35 diameter. Now what is the extrude of this cylinder? Feature extrude of 20 millimeters. Okay, now we have a hole of 25 millimeters, so click on this surface again, normal to sketch, activate sketch, and draw another circle, but this one will be smaller and the diameter will be 25. Okay, as we can see here. Now what should I do with this circle? Feature extrude cut. Okay, is it through all? Okay, yes, it's through all, but maybe you can ask that I cannot see this parallel dash line is go down up to the end, so how can we say that it's extrude cut through all? Very good question, very good question. If you can see that, okay, this parallel dash line is through all. Why? Because this area down we have an extrude cut. If you go here, for example, this is the same cylinder, If we go down, you can see that there is a parallel dash line, but because we have an extrude cut here, which is the same extrude cut here. Okay, so the parallel dash line is go up to this area, then there's no parallel dash line here because there is an empty area, extrude cut here. So this is why we make this extrude cut up to this area, which is through all. Okay, because here is an extrude cut also. So I'll make it through all, then check. Okay, as you can see, through all. Okay, next we have also another cylinder, okay, which is related to this surface. So click on the surface, sketch, activate sketch, and draw. Okay, surface, sketch, let's do it again, surface, normal to sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle of 40 millimeters, so this is 40 millimeters. Okay, sorry, you can see it here. So I draw this circle in this surface, on this surface, feature extrude. So what is the length of this extrude? 25, so this is 25, check. Okay, now because we have an extrude cut for this hole, the same for this cylinder and this cylinder, 30 and 30, so I'm gonna draw on this circle also, then we'll make the extrude cut for both of them at once. So click on the surface, normal to sketch, activate sketch, and draw this circle, and this circle has a dimension of 50 millimeters with extrude of 40, then check. Now we have this hole is the same for the upper cylinder and the lower cylinder. So click on this surface and okay, again click on this surface, then normal to sketch, activate sketch, and draw a circle of 30 millimeters. Okay, so make it 30 millimeters, Now, feature extrude cut. Now, is this extrude cut through all? Which means, can I do that something like this? Actually, no. Why? Because if we make extrude cut through all, this hole has a 30 millimeters, while this hole has 25 millimeters. So if we make an extrude cut through all, that means this hole will be 30 and this hole also will be 30 millimeters, which is not acceptable because this is 25. See? So it's not extrude cut through all. So what should I do? Simply, you can make an extrude cut up to the any place in this space area, then check. Okay, but don't make it through all or make it up to this cylinder. Okay, and this is how we make these cylinders. In the next video, we'll see how to draw this slot together. Thank you very much.